This is probably the most abused farm tractor I ever saw in my life. Serial number on it is 622191. Well, like I say, it keeps me out of the beer joints and off the streets. And broke. This piece of material right here. See that hole worn in it?
Yeah.
That's from right down in here. The wheels were so loose on there that it rubbed a hole in that. And that didn't happen overnight. I had to put new wheels on it because the bolt holes were so big that they had to use washers, flat washers on the wheel lugs to hold the wheels on. Somebody gave it to me, a cousin. I just started tearing it apart, getting it all cleaned up, sandblasted. I've painted all that stuff except that hood. I didn't paint that hood, but the rest of it I painted it all with spray can. I primed it and then painted it. The new wheels, they got them painted at a paint shop. I had to put new rims on the back wheels because the rims were so bad I knew I couldn't get a tire to stay up on them. So I just put new rims on it. And this stuff is pretty damn readily available here in the state of Missouri. I mentioned fenders one day and he said, well, I got 2 fenders for that. No, he said, I got 3 fenders. He wanted to get rid of them. So he gave me one good one and the one that was damaged at a damn good price. If I worked steady on it, it's probably going to take me maybe 3 more months. The hardest thing I have to do isn't done yet. I got to drill out a broken stud on the back side of that rear axle. I can't drill it out. I'm not strong enough because it's horizontal. So if I get that hole cleaned out and get a new stud put in it, well, that'll be the hardest part. See, there's a magneto on it. That's what it came with from the factory. But somebody had dropped it and broken it, and so I put a distributor in it. But I scrapped that, went back to the original. So I'm going back as original as I can. This piece here, the pedestal, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 broken off bolts on this side alone when I took it off. So I had to take it to a machine shop. They set it up and they drilled and tapped every hole, both sides. Clean it up so I can put all this stuff on. Otherwise, I couldn't do anything.